Magandang araw mga kairas. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan ako? Oo. Narito ako sa palayan namin kung saan ito ang pangunahing pinagkukunan namin ng hanap buhay. Ang gagawin ko pala ngayon ay maghihilamon kung saan ay tatanggalin yung mga nakakasira sa ating pananim o nakakaagaw ng vitamina, yung mga hindi naman kailangan unwanted weeds. Ayun, no? Sumilong nga muna ako dito sa payag kasi lumakas yung ulan. Weeds are generally defined as unwanted plants that grow in areas where they are not desired, such as garden, lawns, or agricultural fields. They are typically fast-growing and have the ability to compete with cultivated plants for sources like water, nutrients, and sunlight. Weeds can be classified into different categories based on their life cycle, growth habit, and the environment in which they thrive. Some common types of weeds include annual weeds, complete their life cycle within a year. Perennial weeds live for multiple years. And greasy weeds, grasses that invade cultivated areas. In broadleaf weeds, plants with broad leaves that are not desired. Hilamon in a Bicol refer to weeds or unwanted plants that grow in a gardens or fields. These plants can compete with your crops for nutrients, water, and sunlight, which can affect your crops' growth and yield. Pag-alis ng hilamon sa kamay. This is the most traditional method where the weeds are removed by hand or with simple tools. It's labor-intensive but effective for smaller garden or fields. Ang isang benepisyo nito, exercise. Believe it or not, weeding can be a great form of exercise. It involves a lot of movement and can be a great way to stay active. The importance of this is to understanding your garden. When you're weeding by hand, you're really getting up close and personal with your garden. This can help you better understand the health of your soil and spot any potential problem early. Yes, manual weeding is one of the most common and traditional methods of weed control. It involves physically removing the weeds from the ground. This can be done by hand or by using tools like a hoe or a weeder. Try to pull out the entire weed, including the roots. This will prevent the weed from growing back. Thank you for watching for my vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and pakihit ng notification bells para lagi kang updated sa lahat na gagawin nating video. Thank you very so much for supporting me. Kahit ganito ang gawain natin mga kairas, wag pa rin natin kakalimutan ang ating personal hygiene. Kasi ang agrikultura o ang pagtatanim ay isa ring propesyon na pangunahing nagbibigay sa atin ng pagkain. Mga kahiras, lagi nyo po sanang subaybayan ang aking mga vlog dahil maganda naman itong aking mga content at nagbibigay ng mga informative video